What's up guys, I'm Sean. Welcome back to Fix My Own channel. Today I want to show you how to cut the hole in the ceiling tile and install the ceiling tile right here. I'm going to show you the trick. Let's get started. Well, first we need to measure. So we're going to measure from the middle of the sprinkler all the way to the end of the track. So in the end of the white, is 12 inch. So I'm gonna measure here 12 inch, and I'm gonna measure other side too. There's also 12 inch, and from this side, as you see, is around 11 inch. So let me do better. So here is 11 inch. So between 10 and 12, and the middle is 11, and this side is also around 12 and a half, almost 13 inch. So let's go ahead and start cutting. So when you want to cut the hole, you're gonna make two mistakes. So the first mistake is measurement. I know we measure already over there, but when you want to put everything on this ceiling tile, you have to know which way is going to the north and which way is going to the south. So make sure you put the ceiling tile the same way you want to put it up, and after that mark it. So I already made a mistake here, but that's a good example so you guys can learn. And the second mistake is this. I delayed you guys to see, so let's see it. Alright, this is the second thing you need to learn. Don't cut it from the back. You have to put it from the front so it don't end up like this. So it's fine because this cap, the cover for sprinkler, is gonna cover our messed up, but still is not the right way to do it. So always do it from the front. Everybody gonna have this problem when you want to install the ceiling tile, because there is not enough space and you have to go crooked. So there is a lot of things on the way here. So if you have a space, I know you can do it with crooked and put it, but right now above that a lot of pipe, so I couldn't do it. So I have to tie this with the zip tie and hold this sprinkler all the way to the top. I'm gonna tie it a little more, so it's gonna hold the sprinkler, and I have to go from the side. So we're gonna do it another one. So this time I'm gonna do from the front. I measured, I put the north, south, east, west, and I know where's the position exactly, and I'm gonna start to cut it from the front so we don't mess the ceiling tile. There you go. I just installed the ceiling tile, and that's a sprinkler. It wasn't that easy to install a ceiling tile with all this pipe. Let me show you all this pipe on the way. So I had to put the zip tie, like I said. I tied it all the way to the top, and I have in a space. I have to go from the side, so I have to open that ceiling tile I already take a video and I slide the cylinder. So I'm gonna cut this zip tie to release the sprinkler. There you go. So the sprinkler exactly is in the place and everything is good. So we're gonna go ahead and install the head. So the head we use as a tools to cut. So we're gonna put the head back in the place. There you go. That easy. So everybody can do that. You just need to have a patience and measure right and do it from the front, not from the back. Don't make a mistake like I did. Anyway, this is the cylinder. Thank you for watching and make sure subscribe our channel. I will show you how to fix a problem around your home. I have a video every Monday, so make sure subscribe and hit the bell notification. Have a good day.